sumigaw ng happy anniversary in 3, 2, 1! Wow, thank you so much. You guys want to greet them? One by one.
Arneta, kamusta kayo lahat? Siguro magpakilala muna tayo kasi second anniversary natin. Gawin natin yung original na ginagawa natin. I'm your pure boy, Justin!
Patay na ito.
Simulan mo na.
As yung leader, ikaw mag-lead.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. I'm your emotional leader, Seju. Let's go! Seju. Sejun, kamusta ka na? Okay na. You're in the zone break. Ako wala. Sabihin mo ba talaga yun? Gagawin ko lahat? Ginawa mo. Gagawin mo ulit? Ano? Gagawin niyo lahat yun? Wala akong choice. Gagawin ko kasi ginawa ko yun.
ko ginagawa. What is up, Araneta? It's your heavenly voice! Still, nice to meet you. Nakakamiss naman. Next, Ken.
Hello everyone. I'm the sexiest main Patrick. Yes. Let's go.
Bakit ganun? May ginagawa pa siya dati yung ganun. Nakatumbling. Next na.
18. I'm your boy. Justin.
Get in the zone! Here we go!
And welcome to our 7th year anniversary concert.
Parang wala ng energy guys ah.
Oo nga eh. Parang masyado ata silang nabusog sa solos natin. Parang meron pang dalawa. Tama? Abangan niyo yan.
Actually, binusog mo raw eh.
Ha?
Binusog mo raw.
Okay na yun ang maganda. Meron pa mamaya si Pablo at si Ken. Tama?
Yes. Abangan nyo.
Celebrate natin. Tonight, these milestones with the one and only Francis Libigan. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, we're very nervous for tonight kasi this is a different collaboration. Like mixing yung passion and yung SB19 performances. Pero I'm sure, hindi niyo makakalimutan ang gabi nito. We are very honored to present this different kind of collaboration, this kind of concert tonight.
Dito naman, Ken!
And we are hoping na excited kayo
Ay, hindi kasi-
makita pa ang lahat. Tama ba, AJ? Do you guys want more? Okay, at dahil dyan, I think everyone's ready. Please welcome Mary Dance, W3, and Coach J!